The NanoScope release system is packaged as a fully sterile kit that includes a nanoneedle, the Centerline device, and a single-use dilator and synovial elevator instrument. Make a transverse incision in the proximal wrist crease between the FCU and the palmaris longus tendons. Dissect down through the antebrachial fascia to gain access to the carpal tunnel space. Insert the dilator end of the double-ended instrument. Advance the dilator, hugging the hook of the hamate. Keep inserting until the far edge of the transverse carpal ligament. Remove the dilator and use the synovial scraper portion of the double-ended instrument to clear the underside of the transverse carpal ligament. A washboard-like effect should be felt as the instrument is moved back and forth. Assemble the NanoScopic release system by inserting the NanoNeedle Scope into the Centerline device. Once the nanoneedle is in contact with the Centerline device, turn the nanoneedle until it clicks in. This indicates that the scope is fully seated and at the appropriate level for visualization. Insert the NanoScopic release system into the carpal tunnel space. Visualize the transverse carpal ligament to ensure the device is in the correct plane. Advance the device to the end of the transverse carpal ligament. Once the end of the ligament is visualized and a clear path is established, deploy the blade and pull back to transect the ligament. Reinsert the device to confirm complete division of the transverse carpal ligament.